Guys, today I have another interesting video for you guys. This is an unboxing of some hair that I purchased, and if you guys are wondering what type of hair it is some curly hair. It's been a few months since I've reviewed and ordered some curly hair. I've been getting a lot of questions about this hair. This is my queen, Ali Queen hair, and the hair that I'm going to be showing you guys today is also from Ali Queen, but this is their website-based company. I've reviewed the hair from there as well, straight hair, the same exact thing. It's the same company. Like I said, I'm going to link that video below for you guys to see, because like I said, I keep getting all these questions, and I'm not really trying to review this particular unit because it's the same hair that I always order. This is the hair that I ordered. So this is the website that I ordered it from. I did not order the hair from Aliexpress this time. So what I ordered was 3 bundles of hair with a closure. And I ordered the lengths 24, 22, and a 20-inch closure, or 18-inch closure. I'm really not sure, but we're gonna find out together, right? So the price of the hair, Canadian, came up to $270. So in American it came up to $208. I was looking online for some curly hair on AliExpress. I went to the Ali Queen website, and they are selling the same thing for a lot more money. And I'm sorry to, be the person to kind of snitch on them, but you are getting ripped off ordering it from AliExpress because it's a lot cheaper when you go to their direct website. Weird thing about this though, before we get into the hair, it came with this little pamphlet. This is different from what it usually comes with. That's what I've noticed. So that's interesting because it doesn't say Ali Queen on here. It says Add Beauty. So a letter of thanks. We appreciate and read this card before opening. So that's strange because it doesn't say anything about Ali Queen on this card. Basically the same thing. It's telling you, thank you for your purchase. Hopefully you're happy. If you leave them a comment, you get $5 off. And photos, a refund. And yeah, just explaining the process there. So that's that. But let's get into the hair. So I did not open any of the bundles. I don't know what it feels like, but this is the closure. I guess the closure I ordered is in a 20-inch. So it's the shortest bundle. So we have a 24-inch right here in the package, a 22-inch, and a 20-inch. And this is in the Deep Wave, sorry, I'm looking at my phone because I can't remember. This is in the Deep Wave Brazilian Remy hair. Okay, so we're going to open it up. I'm going to start with the longest bundle because you guys know that's what I do. So I'm really interested to see what their curly hair is like. I've tried out a few hair companies before with curly hair. I've never ordered curly hair from Ali Queen. So that's going to be interesting to see, and I will be updating you guys as the months go on. All the other curly hair that I've had has lasted at least 6 months. It's just that the hair in the past doesn't feel as good over time. Like 2 months in, you start to tell differences. But like with this hair, I don't notice very much difference with the hair, 3, 6, 4 months now. I believe I've had this hair for a few months. I'm not sure exactly how long, but it's a few months. It usually lasts me over a year. So this is the 24-inch bundle. And to be honest, I'm really impressed with how much hair I feel on the bundle on the weft, because it's very full from the weft to the ends. I'm gonna get a close-up video for you guys, close-up shot. Very bouncy. I also and it comes with the Ali Queen logo, so that's still the same. It does say Ali Queen on there. I'm gonna show you guys. Hopefully that focuses on the camera and the hair. And it doesn't smell bad at all. It smells a lot better than most curly hairs that I get. The weft is nice and clean and thick. The color is a pretty dark color. It looks like a 1. It looks darker than this color, so it might have been dyed, I don't know, but it looks darker, which I appreciate because I really do prefer darker hair. I'm going to open this weft. Rip that off. So far, I'm impressed. I'm sure this hair is going to be beautiful 6 months from now, a year from now, because I've never been disappointed with Ali Queen. So opening up the weft, I have it double wrapped, so there's 2 layers of that on here. Look how thick it is, you guys. Like, it's thick from the top of the weft to the end of the weft, which is really nice. The ends feel a bit dry. It feels drier than the rest of the hair, but it's a beautiful curl pattern. I love this curl. This is their Deep Wave. So there's 2, so as you guys can see, right? You can pull it apart. So the longest, the 24 inches at my nape is going to hit me right under here, which is good because it's realistic. You don't need it to be any longer than that. Well, I mean, it wouldn't have been bad longer, but I was really not trying to spend all that money because I haven't tried their curly hair before. But look at that. Beautiful. Pretty nice. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is take my Denman brush, if I can find it, and I'm going to comb the brush. The brush has some hair in it, so let me try to clean out the hair. If you guys don't know, long story short, this room that I'm in is my hair studio. I graduated hair school and I moved to British Columbia, moved out of Alberta to British Columbia, and I started working in a hair salon, and I also do hair extensions from home. So this is my studio. It's actually a salon. Maybe one day I'll give you guys a full tour of everything in the studio for another video, but let me just run my hands through it. Oh, the ends are dry, girl. So this is going to be very big hair if you comb it through. Am I getting any shedding? Let me see. My hands are a little white because, not white, they're stained with my makeup because I didn't wash my hands. I used the makeup wipe. So the hair is shedding, but combed out. Looks really nice when you brush it. So when you brush it, it's going to get really big. You guys, my camera battery is going to die, so I'm going to move on to the other bundles real quick. Oh, that was in the 24 inch. What was that? That was the 22 inch. Okay, so that's good. This one's going to be even longer. Every time I order a 26 inch, ow. Every time I order a 26 inch bundle, I end up cutting the hair because it's too long. This is the 24 inch. Okay, same thing, very full. Beautiful hair. I'm going to co-wash the hair. I might make the wig first and then co-wash it. I find it easier to do that. Really nice. Same thing with the wefts are decent size. That's a 24 inch bundle, and that weft bundle seems bigger. I'm gonna get all this hair confused when I'm trying to make my wig because it's not labeled beyond the packaging. The lengths are not a huge difference. Like the 24 inch to the 20 inch. That's about, I don't know. That just seems like a 2 inch difference to me personally, but it's going to be a lot of hair. It's going to be more than enough hair for this wig. I still want it to look natural. That is the weft. There's a little fluff on there, but I don't think it's just fabric, it looks like, compared to the 24 inch bundle. And don't forget, I still have this bundle here, which is the 22 inch that I combed out. So already that looks like a lot of hair. It's beautiful hair. Same thing, it's a really dark color. I do see some reds in the hair. but thick from the tip to the top of the hair. Now we're gonna move on to the closure. Because if this camera dies on me, I'll be so mad. Okay. So in the closure, it comes with the, you know, the Ali Queen sign. So that's how you guys know it's real. It's not like some fake company. It's the same company. They just have their own website, like I said. And this is the closure. Oh my god. Okay, the hair on the closure feels amazing. It's soft. Very, very soft, which is good because the closure gets more exposure to sun, to heat than a lot of the other parts of the wig. So that's good. It's not curly like from the very root, but I think it's really hard for them to get the curl from right at the top there. But we'll see how that styles once it's made. It's been a minute since I've had a curly wig that's really good quality, so I'm sure this is going to be amazing hair. I'm expecting it to be really good, and I hope it doesn't disappoint. I'm going to come back to you guys once I install the unit, once I make the wig and I install it, and show you guys what that looks like. And don't forget to thumbs up this video if you have any questions about the unboxing, how the hair feels, the texture. If I forgot to cover anything, let me know. The lace looks good. The knots are not bleached, but it looks really nice. It comes with baby hairs, and it's not too much baby hairs. It looks like a 4x4. So yeah, I'm gonna make my wig and get back to you guys in another video. So until next time, guys, peace.